Hi students, welcome back. We can continue exercise 17C. We can start question number 15 onwards. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Sides AB and DC produced meet at point E, whereas sides BC and AD produced meet at point F. If angle DCF is to angle F is to angle E is equal to 3:5:4, find the angles of the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. Given DCF is to angle F is to angle E is equal to 3:5:4. So these angles will be what? Angle DCF will be 3x and angle F will be 5x and E as 4x. So it is given in ratio form, so we make it as in terms of x. So let the angles be 3x, 5x and 4x. Then DCF plus angle DCB. Look at DCF plus DCB. Since it is a straight line, DF is a straight line, sum of angles will be 180 degree, that is 3x plus angle DCB will be 180 degree. So what about DCB? This angle will be 180 minus 3x. So this angle will be 180 minus 3x, that is angle C. This angle will be 180 minus 3x. Next consider the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD. Opposite of 180 minus 3x is angle A. So what about this? Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So how can we find this angle? This angle A. It will be what? 180 minus 3x. That is angle DCB plus angle DAB. This total will be 180 degree. That is DAB plus DCB is equal to 180 degree. So we have 180 minus 3x as DCB. So what about DAB? DAB will be 180 minus of 180 minus 3x. This will be what? 180 minus of this angle. This 180 minus 3x. So it will be 180 minus 180 plus 3x. So answer it will be DAB will be 3x, that is 180 cancel. We will get DAB as 3x degree. DAB is 3x means DAB 3x means DAE also as 3x. So angle DAE is equal to 3x. So we got this angle as 3x DAB. So this angle we got it as 3x. Okay, the next consider the triangle ADE. Look at triangle ADE. ADE. Angle A plus angle D plus angle E will be 180 degree. That is sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So 3x we have, 4x we have. So what about angle D? Angle D will be 180 minus sum of 3x and 4x. So it is 7x. 4x plus 3x is 7x. So sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So this angle will be 180 minus sum of these two. That is 3x plus 4x is 7x. So this angle is 180 minus 7x. Next consider triangle ABF. ABF. If you are considering ABF, then only we will get angle B. That is same case, sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So angle A is 3x and angle F is 5x. So what about angle B? Angle B will be 180 minus sum of 3x and 5x. Sum of 3x and 5x is 8x. So this will be 180 minus 8x. This will be 180 minus 8x. So A, B, C, D we got. Consider the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. So in terms of x only we got. We want the correct value. So consider cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral supplementary, or otherwise we can say that sum of all the angles will be 360 degree. So adding all these angles, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. That is 3x plus 180 minus 7x plus 180 minus 3x plus 180 minus 8x is equal to 360 degree. Once again, 3x plus 180 minus 7x plus 180 minus 3x plus 180 minus 8x is equal to 360 degree. So 3x and minus 3x we can cancel here. 3x and minus 3x. So 8x and 7x. Minus 7x minus 8x, it will be minus 15x. For our convenience we are writing like this way, 360 here. So add these two only. 180 plus 180 is 360. Then plus 180 as 180 itself is equal to 360. Why? Because we can cancel this. No, 360 and 360 we can cancel. So remaining it will be minus 15x plus this 150 is equal to 360 comes here. So 360 minus 360 is 0 is equal to 0. So 15x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 divided by 15, which is equal to 12. So angle A is what? Angle A is 3x. Angle A is 3x. So 3 into 12 is equal to 36 degree. Angle B is what? Angle B is 180 minus 8x. So 180 minus 8 into x, we got it as 12. So 180 minus 8 into 12 is 96. So 180 minus 96 is equal to 84. Then angle C is equal to 180 minus 3x. So 180 minus 3 into 12. So 3 into 12 is 36. 180 minus 36 is 144. Angle D is equal to 180 minus 7x. So 180 minus 7 into x value is 12. So 180 minus 84, which is equal to 96. Next question number 16. The following figure shows a circle with PR as its diameter. If PQ is equal to 7 cm and QR is equal to 3RS is equal to 6 cm, find the perimeter of the cyclic quadrilateral PQRS. This perimeter means sum of all the sides of that quadrilateral. Given PR is the diameter. Also given PQ is equal to 7 cm. QR is equal to 3RS is equal to 6 cm. That means QR is given as 6 cm. But 3RS is 6 cm means 3RS 6 cm. So RS will be 6 divided by 3, which is equal to 2 cm. So RS we got it as 2 cm. Since PQ is the diameter, angle PQR will be 90 degree. That is, angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So using Pythagoras theorem, we can find this side PR. So PR using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to, this is the hypotenuse. Angle opposite to side opposite to 90 degree. This is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. So PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. That is 7 square plus 6 square. 49 plus 36, which is equal to 85. So we got PR is equal to root of 85. So this value we got it as root of 85. Next, consider this triangle PSR. Since PR is the diameter, PSR, this angle also will be, PSR also will be 90 degree. This also will be 90 degree. Again, we can use Pythagoras theorem for this triangle. So PS square is equal to PR square minus SR square. Applying Pythagoras theorem for this triangle PRS. That is, we got PR square is what? PR square we got it as 85. From there we wrote what? PR is equal to root of 85. So no need of doing this. This is enough. PR square is 85. So PS square is equal to PR square minus SR square. PR square we got as 85. So directly substitute that 85 minus SR is what? 2. 2. So SR square will be 2 square. So 85 minus 4, which is equal to 81. So PS square is equal to 81. So PS is equal to root of 81, which is equal to 9 centimeter. So this side is 9 centimeter. We want the perimeter. We want to find the perimeter of the cyclic quadrilateral PQRS. Perimeter means sum of all the sides. Perimeter means sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. So all the sides 7 plus 6 plus 2 plus 9, which is equal to 24 centimeter. So perimeter of the cyclic quadrilateral PQRS is equal to 24 centimeter. Thank you.